Hello beautiful people and welcome back once again. Today I am so excited. I'll be sharing with you guys a national dish in Thailand. It is called Pad Kapao Thai. Pad means stir fry, kapao means holy basil, and chicken means kai. Pad Kapao Thai. Here is my chicken, I have my holy basil, kapao, I have my garlic, I have my chili, I have my sugar, we have our fish sauce, we have our oyster sauce, I'll be using vegetable oil, and I'll be using black soy sauce. We have our eggs, because this dish, you need to serve this dish with omelets. I might go an extra mile to be adding homyai, which is onion, chopped onion, and green beans. So this is my version. Normally you don't add this in the normal Thai way, but we'll be going an extra mile. So let's cook our Pad Kapao Thai. Cheers, and please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. There goes in our chili, garlic. So pound these two together. Just roughly pound it like this. It's okay. And here is our chili and garlic paste, roughly pounded. So now let's fry. Add up some oil. While waiting for our oil to get hot, please subscribe. Thank you. I will then add in my chili to the pan. Try this. This is optional. Yeah. If you're frying this and you don't sneeze, then you know you're not doing the right thing. Now introducing my chicken. And mix these two together. Add in my sugar and stir this together. Bring in my oyster sauce, my fish sauce, my black soy sauce. Increase my heat and mix this all together. Optional. I'll then add in my remaining onion. Also, this is optional, green bean. And stir this together. So mix this all together. And add a little water. Next goes in my holy basil, my kapao. Stir for one last time, and our Pad Kapao Thai is ready to serve. And here is my version of Pad Kapao Thai. Cheers.